Hey there, Odoo users. Today we're going to be taking a look at a really nice application that we have available for you listed on Odoo App Store. This app is called Purchase Order Prepayments or Down Payments, and we're looking at it in version 17 of Odoo, but we also have it available for older versions of Odoo as well. So the main functionality of this app is that it allows you to add prepayments or down payments on purchase orders. Now, by default in Odoo, you're only able to have this functionality on the sales order side. On the purchase order side, it's not available. So this application allows you to pretty much replicate that same process on the sales order side, just on the purchase order side. So let's go ahead and take a look at this in action. Once you go ahead and install this application, you're going to go ahead and navigate to the settings and then purchase. We can see prepayments, and then you want to make sure that you have a product set here. On the product that you decide to set here, this is the product that's going to be used on those purchase order lines. And a few things are going to be required. You need to ensure that the product type is set to service. And then you're going to want to make sure that you add an asset account here of your choosing, as it's going to be used on that purchase order line. And then on the purchase tab, just ensure that the control policy is set to on ordered quantities. And just like that, you're ready to go. We'll navigate to the purchase app and create a purchase order. We'll enter in our vendor and a product. Enter in a price. And then we can go ahead and confirm the order. So the main purpose of this module is that you're able to enter in these down payments. What that means is that you're able to create a down payment before the order has actually been received. So on the associated receipt, it's still in the ready status. It hasn't been validated yet. With that said, we're still able to go into the Create Bill button. And then we have two new options, down payment percentage or fixed amount. So you can enter in a percentage and Odoo will calculate that percentage based off of the order total, or you can specify any fixed amount that you would like. In this case, we'll enter in a 50% down payment. And then we'll enter in our bill date and confirm. So we can see here that the asset account that we listed on that product is listed here. We have the product, the asset account, and then we have the label with the prepayment of 50%. 50% of the order total comes out to this $25 total, which includes tax on this particular vendor bill. We can go ahead and register payment. And just like that, we added a 50% down payment to our order. Now, in this case, we can see certain instances where you would want to go ahead and create a down payment and then receive your order. So then we can go ahead and receive our product. We have lots entered in. And then we can validate. Now that we've received our product, we can go ahead and create our regular bill. So no additional down payment is needed. We just need to finish out and pay for the rest of the bill. This button here is going to deduct the down payments. So it's going to take all of the down payments that we've previously created, the amounts of those down payments, and deduct it to the amount of the order total, which gives you what you finally owe as a result. So we're going to create and view bill. And we can see here, basically it's deducting the first down payment that we selected against the order total. And we now have the remaining amount that we owe. So we can go ahead and confirm. First we'll enter in our bill date, confirm, and register payment. And just like that, our purchase order is fully paid for with the usage of down payments. Now, a really nice feature is that you're able to fully prepay for orders as well. So very quickly, I will create a new purchase order, enter in a vendor, enter in a product, and then confirm the order. Now you're able to fully prepay for an order as well and click 100%. and then we'll go ahead and confirm that bill. So now our purchase order has been fully prepaid prior to actually receiving it. And so now we can validate the order. And then in this instance, now that we've received our order, we need to create a final vendor bill to actually apply the value of what we paid in our down payments towards the valuation of the product. So we can see here um, that this is the vendor bill that we created. We can register payment on it as well, as we didn't do that previously. And then now we are going to go back to our purchase order, create bill, and then we're going to create a regular bill. We can see here in draft, we don't owe anything on this particular bill. This is just deducting the full amount that we paid in down payments. We can see here prepayments towards the full price of that product on the purchase order. And we'll go ahead and confirm. And then we don't have to register payment because we have already prepaid for the order. And it's listed as paid just like that. And that is the full functionality of our application. We have some additional instances in which you're able to use it in a few different ways. But these are the few main use cases just for the sake of this demo. It provides a really powerful feature that isn't present with default Odoo, and that you're able to add down payments to purchase orders. That's basically it. If you have any questions or concerns with Odoo or anything with this application in particular, we'd be more than happy to assist. Thanks so much for watching.